Hello guys again, my name is Andrew of course, and today is a curiosity day. Do you ever wonder how it looks inside this PARKSIDE Jigsaw or some jigsaw that you have in your home? Well, today we are going to find out together what parts we've got inside of this PARKSIDE Jigsaw. And to do that we need to disassemble it. For disassembling this we need to take out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 screws that it will take the plastic out and reveal the internals. Let's start. Well, here we are, and voila! Here we can see some lubricants, the out for the dust when you're cutting a good. Well, let's see one by one. Here is the power cord. It goes here. We have the controller for the speed, the lock for the button when you need to work all the time. We have the motor. Here is a laser beam. As you're screwing this, it goes further in. And that's how he's doing the alignment. And there is the LED light. Here's the mechanism that you can install your blade. And now you can see how it works. When I moving the motor, it goes up and down that. With this mechanism that it has inside here. Here's the button for the laser and the LED. And from the other side is, you can turn it around, they will fall everything. It is the tension button. Here it is from 1 to 3. You can see here, as I push it, we have more tension. I think it's a very nice manufacturer, decent parts. Of course, that you're going to find out as you're using this jigsaw. A closer look. Well guys, that was my curiosity how it looks, this jigsaw inside. Well, if you have anything to ask in the comments down below, please do that. Don't hesitate. let's move on for the assembly. And we have 3, 6, 9 and 12 volts. Well guys, that was all about this disassembly and assembly of this PARKSIDE Jigsaw. I'm sure now you're smarter, you know how it looks inside. Like or dislike my video is your choice. Share this video, you never know who may need it. Hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.